go. Let's go. Let's wait for some people to join. I'm so sorry, my phone fell down. Hi Music Alert, hi AD, हम आ गए. गुड वन बैड ट्रैक, हाय राहुल मेहता, हाय हिमांशु. कैसा चल रहा है सब लोगों का क्वारंटाइन? आज एक्सटेंड हो गया है फॉर नेक्स्ट टिल May 3rd. So what are you guys thinking now? What to do? Shall we continue this base culture live sessions with other DJs till May 3rd? The earlier plan was to continue till Rahul Mehta. Hi Rahul. So पहले का प्लान था अप्रैल नेक्स्ट वीक तक ही करने का, बट अभी इफ़ यू नो एवरीवन एग्रीज देन we'll extend it till May 3rd. Hi Amrish, hi Tanex, hi Sanat. Madoc is here, 1 minute. हेलो मेरा भाई, क्या हाल है?
सब बढ़िया यार, आप सुनाओ.
सब बढ़िया भाई, क्या चल रहा है आप बताइए. कैसा है क्वारंटाइन, क्या चल रहा है? नहीं
यार, so to be honest, it apart from missing your gigs, it doesn't really change much in your life. Uh, I mean, now there's just someone telling you that you can't go outside, but honestly, अगर मुझे बोलो कि चलो वीकेंड पे गिग आ जाएगा, वीकेंड पे पैसे आ जाएगा, मैं खुशी खुशी हफ्ते भर घर बैठ जाऊंगा.
नहीं नहीं जाऊं बाहर.
हाँ, I'm very okay that way. But yeah, certain things are obviously missing right now,
True.
which can't wait to change. But कुछ नहीं कर सकते यार, bro. There's no point complaining about it.
Going out, meeting friends, chilling with them,
See,
eating
again, bro,
outside,
that
everything
that
is
that's
missing, bro.
another thing, bro. I'm not a very social person. You'll very rarely see me at a after party or at a club on a non-gig day. If I'm not playing that day,
Yeah.
I'll rarely be out of the house. So yeah, so ठीक है यार, चलता है, कोई बात नहीं.
एक मिनट भाई, 1 second. Lot of people saying hi to you. 1 second. गैरी भाई is also here. गैरी भाई, रजत, he saying रजत भाई जिंदाबाद. थैंक यू गैरी भाई. गैरी भाई सबसे बड़े जिंदाबाद. ओके, आप सबको हाय बोल दो ब्रो. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव जॉइंड टुडे. सो
What's up, guys? Hope everyone is indoors safe, well fed, and doing something creative. Uh, so that's another thing, right? Everyone says that this is the time when you can actually prove that it is not a discipline issue. It's not. It's not a time issue. It's a discipline issue. क्योंकि अभी let's accept it. You have all the time to do everything. Get healthy,
या,
make music, learn a new skill,
करेक्ट.
learn a musical instrument. You have, as long as you have internet, you can do everything you want.
ट्रू
So
ट्रू
I
ट्रू
hope
ट्रू.
everyone is utilizing their time and not just watching Netflix and Money Heist. Because that's
Big
all I
fan,
see.
Mr.
That's all.
Maddock. Big fan, Maddock sir. Please take my name. There's a guy called Rahul, bro. Please take his name.
Whose name?
Rahul. There's somebody who's saying, Maddock sir, please take my name.
Hi Rahul.
Say hi.
That's a weird
Tanish is
thing, but
there.
okay. Hi Rahul. Tanish Bhai. Yeah, me and Tanish have something very cool brewing.
It's coming up.
Yeah, some stuff, not thing, some stuff.
Yeah. Let's see. We'll wait for the best stuff to come out post quarantine. तो आज तो बोला है उन्होंने May 3rd तक extend हो गया है. So
हाँ
how are you
यार, May
feeling?
May 3rd is also very optimistic ये चलने वाला है. It's going to take some time because we are still
Yeah.
very slowly but gradually just going up, and we're definitely headed to May, mid-June almost.
ब्रो एक ही है बस, ये जब तक चलना है तब तक चले. डजेंट मैटर टू मी एट ऑल, बट आई एम सेइंग जब जब हम लोग बाहर निकले तब ये खत्म होना चाहिए. बिकॉज राइट नाउ
हाँ
आई हैव a habit of staying back home. I can stay for another 15, 20, 30 days, but once I
yeah
am out, it will be very difficult for me to come back again and then stay in lockdown.
नहीं
So
नहीं
एक
no,
ही
so
बार में जो करना है कर
I'm
दो.
pretty sure. So what's going to happen is, bro, it is pointless because एक अगर बंदा भी बचा,
हाँ, correct.
who's still positive,
Yeah,
okay, and everyone else is fine, that one guy can give it to a million others, right? So it's
yeah,
pointless
true.
to stop the thing, and beach mein hi chhodna is pointless. So you have to reach a
Pointless.
point where there are zero cases in the country, and then
Yeah,
2 more weeks after that, just to be safe.
true, true, true,
You
true,
have to
true.
wait for those 2 weeks as a precautionary period, and then say कि चल अभी ठीक है. And hopefully by then what will also happen is there'll be a cure or a vaccine in place. Though actually that will take at least another 6 to 8 months from what I've
Yeah.
heard. But what will happen is our immunity will start building up against it,
Mm-hmm.
and that is
True.
that is the main thing what we need to do. The
Yeah.
immunity part is what needs to build up.
Correct. Correct. Very, very true. So, bro, let's start our session. So
So
everybody wants to know Madoc's journey. Everybody wants to know when Madoc started DJing. So I have two people from my company also. So they love Madoc music. So they are also asking ये सब
awesome.
questions
I
पूछने
have a
हैं
very,
मुझे. मैं
very
तो पूरा
fun,
पेज लिखा
fun,
है.
fun story. I have a very, very fun, interesting, weird, out of the ordinary story. Amal, thank you, by the way. Quickly, I'll get into it. So, officially, I started DJing in 2006.
Okay.
As in when I learned how to play, and when I started DJing, that was in 2006 when I did my course from Joe,
Okay.
and so that was in 2006. But before that, when I was, I think maybe in 2002 2003, मेरा ये होता था यार, मैं जिस हाउस पार्टी में भी जाता था ना, मैं एक डिस्कमैन और एक छोटा सा MP3 प्लेयर होता था 128 MB का,
Yeah.
क्रिएटिव
Okay.
मूवो था 128 MB का, which then I upgraded to a creative nomad 4 GB, and at that time bro, 4 GB
Okay.
was like, oh my god, ये क्या आ गया है.
Yeah. Yeah. True. True.
क्योंकि
True.
तभी हम जब कजा और लाइम वायर से गाने डाउनलोड करते थे ना, तभी बिटरेट का पता
हाँ.
नहीं होता था. हम देखते थे सबसे
Correct.
छोटा गाना कौन सा है, ये पता नहीं था कि क्यों
सबसे
छोटा है. क्योंकि
इजीली कौन
बिटरेट,
सा डाउनलोड होगा. या
हाँ,
ट्रू.
क्योंकि मिलती थी वो 0.5 kbps की स्पीड मिलती थी. 1 kbps
करेक्ट.
मिल गई तो इट वाज बी लाइक वाओ.
या.
So I used to take my players and my Discman and stuff, and मेरे पास ना एक ये छोटा सा 5.1 टाइप सिस्टम होता है ना, जिसमें यू कैन कनेक्ट योर केबल.
या.
तो मेरी एक आरसी केबल होती थी विद एन ईपी इनपुट. ये सब मैं सीख गया था बचपन में कि ऑडियो केबल्स कैसे करने हैं ना, ये शौक से ही सीख गया था मैं.
ओके.
So I used to play one song on the Discman, keep the other song ready, no cue point, nothing, there's no pitch, there's no tempo. वो तभी समझ में ही नहीं आता था क्या है. फिर एक से केबल निकालता था, दूसरे में डालता था. तो बचपन से
ओके.
यही था कि ब्रो, whichever party, house party we were having in school and stuff, I had to be in charge of the music. I just assumed कि भाई
ओके.
सारे गाने मेरे पास है,
हाँ.
मैं हूँ नंबर वन, मैं कंट्रोल करने वाला हूँ. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली ब्रो, माय फ्रेंड्स नेवर stopped me from doing it, right? So everyone like, ठीक है चल यार, कोई कर रहा है करने दे यार, मेहनत हमें क्या है. So when you're 13 14 years old, nobody really cares about it. And मेरा था तब से शौक कि I had to be in charge of the party.
ओके.
म्यूजिक की नॉलेज नहीं थी मुझे, डीजेइंग की स्किल की नॉलेज नहीं थी मुझे बस ये था कि मुझे पता है कि लोगों को क्या सुनना है. एंड देन मच लेटर ऑन आई एम लाइक, ठीक है चलो, let's see what this is about. So I think I was 15 when I went to a club for the first time, and I heard
Okay.
seamless mixing.
ओके.
Bro, and I was amazed कि भाई इतने सारे गाने सेम बीट्स के साथ कैसे चल रहे. So I just
कैसे बजा
assumed,
रहा
so I just
है.
assumed that the DJ has remixes of songs which all have the same beat and the same bass line. I didn't understand
Yeah.
that he was mixing. I just assumed that every track was the same and only the vocals were changing. And I'm like,
Changing.
wow, यार ये तो बढ़िया है यार, अगर ऐसे गाने मिल गए तो फिर अच्छे से डीजेइंग हो जाएगी. Then in 2005 या 2006 वो कॉलेज में एक War of the DJs था. Oh, so by the way, I'm an engineer. I did my electronics and telecommunication engineering, completed it.
मैकेनिकल
And
इंजीनियर. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर.
so I think a lot of DJs are from the engineering background, where we
Yes.
realize कि
Yes.
I think engineering
Yes.
makes you realize कि भाई ये गलत था यार.
ये
It's
नहीं
such
करना
an
है.
extreme. ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. ये नहीं. And I'm from an era before Three Idiots. So when Three Idiots actually happened, it was a very
Okay.
relatable movie.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I basically, for that War of the DJs, a friend of mine made me by heart. Like literally रट्टा मार के गया था कि ये सेकंड पे पुश करना है, ये सेकंड पे इतना पिच अप पिच डाउन करना है, क्योंकि मुझे पिच बेंड करना नहीं आता था तभी. Somehow managed to do a flawless mix, क्योंकि रट्टा मार के प्रैक्टिस करके पूरा गया था, and I won. And
Okay. Oh,
then I
you
said,
won
you know
on
what,
the
this
college.
was, yeah. I mean, engineering college, yeah, there was like, there
Yeah.
were only two guys who actually knew how to mix. One guy
Uh-huh.
knew how to mix, and I had a nice set prepared, which was by hearted. So both could
Okay.
mix, but mine sounded better. So that worked in
Okay.
my favor, which made me realize, कि चल, let's learn. मुझे
Hmm.
पता था कि यार इंजीनियरिंग करनी है, एमबीए करना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर बनना है, मतलब प्लान वाज सेट. आई हैड
Set.
नो अदर प्लान्स इन लाइफ. ये एज अ हॉबी ऐसे चल यार, आई डिडंट लर्न एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, लेट्स लर्न अ स्किल, डीजेइंग कर
Hmm.
लेते हैं. So that's when I went to Joe. So this used to be a fun routine. So I stay in New Bombay. My college was in Bandra. So सुबह
Hmm.
8 बजे कॉलेज जाता था, कॉलेज खत्म करता था 4 o'clock. Bandra से used to go to Borivali. Joe's that time his classes were in Borivali. I used
Borivali.
to finish
Oh.
that and then come back home by 8 9 o'clock, and this was my regular routine, and I loved it because this was the
Hmm.
first time. So I went for guitar classes, I left it midway. I went for karate, I left it midway. जो भी करता था ना midway छोड़ देता था, like before I could
Hmm.
complete the thing. This was the first thing that I've enjoyed.
Hmm. Okay.
And then and so I knew how to DJ. Obviously the basics were done. Music तो वैसे ही हमेशा downloading चालू रहता था. And then during my engineering इधर उधर gigs कभी कभी आ जाते थे. So again, like I've always said this, I've been very fortunate to be there at the right place at the right time. So Swapnil Mama DJ Swap
Yeah.
was the resident at Squeeze at
Okay.
Khar, which now became Antisocial.
Okay.
Hi, Samir. So Swapnil had his BCom exams and he called me up one day and he said, bro, 1 month ka residency, you want to do it? The money was obviously shit, but I said, you know what,
Hmm.
let's do it for the experience. Thar mein tha,
True.
close to college. So
Hmm.
college khatam karta tha, khatam play karke aa jata tha. So it was theek hai, I could manage it. So that was my first residency at Squeeze.
Hmm.
देन इधर उधर एक दो गिग्स करते रहता था. फिर 3 महीने की मैंने एक सीबीडी में बेलापुर में आई डन अ रेजिडेंसी व्हिच नोबडी नोज अबाउट, व्हिच आई नेवर स्पीक ऑन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम मेंशनिंग इट. एंड देन in 2009,
Hmm.
no, 2008, 2009, ha.
Hmm.
My first proper long term residency I was offered was at Wink at Taj President. This was during my 4th year of engineering, during my 8th semester.
Okay.
So I was like, करना है नहीं करना है, करना है नहीं करना है. Money was very okay. And 8th semester, yeah, bro, you can't. That's the
True.
last
Yeah. Yeah.
semester. You can't
Last
fuck it
semester.
up. Your campus placement,
Engineering.
everything
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
dependent on it.
1 minute.
So
Huh? Hmm.
yeah. So I
Yeah.
said,
Go.
ठीक है
Go
चल,
ahead.
we'll balance it out. So मेरा होता था सुबह 8 बजे कॉलेज जाता था. Used to wait at a friend's place in Bandra.
Hmm.
Take a train from Churchgate, go to no, take a train from Bandra, go to Churchgate. जो अपनी fast होती थी. Churchgate
Hmm.
पे उतर के go to Cuffbridge. I used to reach Wink at about 7:30, finish it at
Hmm.
1:30. Then there were two options. So 8 बजे सुबह फिर से college था because Wink was 5 days a week. So I had two options: either wait till 4 o'clock and take the first train and come back. So this is when we hadn't really started making money. Like we were still traveling by
Yeah.
trains and buses and stuff.
Trains. Yeah. True. True. True.
Yeah. So cars and all were not an option that time.
Hmm.
So we started. So I used to either wait till 4 o'clock, take the first train and come back, or I
Hmm.
had my manager who used to live in Kandivali, so he used to give me a drop till Sion, and Sion से वो
Hmm.
होते थे कि lift लेके आ जाओ 20 रुपए में या something like that. So started
Hmm.
exploring all the transportation options. And dude, that was like a different experience, यार. Like कि 4 बजे मैं
Yeah.
वाशी में उठता नहीं था, खारघर जाके उठता था, पनवेल जाके उठता, because I used to be so tired.
Yeah.
Then wake up in
Yeah.
the morning again at 7 and leave for Bandra for college again. I've
Hmm.
been caught so many times sleeping in college that after a point my teachers started feeling bad for me. My professors did not care that I was sleeping because they knew I was working at night.
Okay.
Luckily, I had a very good academic record, so nobody really cared. कि they said कि चल मस्ती करता है, सोता है, लेकिन पास हो जाता है. So nobody really
पास हो
cared.
जाता है. Hmm.
And then engineering finished, Wing continued, started working at Accenture, Monday to Friday Accenture, Friday, Saturday Wing.
Super.
That went on till I reached a point where I said, Accenture I did for a month, and then they said you have to sign a 2 3 year का contract, कुछ वो .NET या कुछ था.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So I said कि
Bond.
नहीं यार, अभी ये नहीं जम रहा, क्योंकि तभी आदत लग गई थी to play at night and not have a desk job and stuff. So that's when I said, you know what, then I shift full time, and I said, okay, now I'm doing this professionally. So then I did my sound engineering, then I did my course in music production. And so for music production, I had to move to London. That's when I quit Wing. So that was my 18-month residency. And then, yeah, no looking back after that. Yeah. So then started making music. started DJing full time. After coming back from London was a tough break because from 11 to 13, barely had any gigs because once you've left the scene. So this is one thing I've
Yeah.
realized about DJing and music production. It's out of sight, out of mind. If people don't see you every week at least, people will start forgetting you. People will stop booking you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is,
True.
I think that's where social media today plays a very important role because people need to
Correct.
see you active. People need to have that connection with you so that
Yeah.
they know, okay, yaar, he's one of us, he's available, he's playing here, they need to be updated. So
Yeah.
2013, again, very fortunately landed up with the EXO Levi contract. Uh, and yeah, that was my starting point. I think even though I started
Start.
DJing in 2006, 2013 is where life really took off.
Was the family supportive that time? Like when you were doing,
Absolutely, bro.
eighth
I've
semester?
been so I come from a family of only doctors. Everyone in my family is a doctor. But I'm saying my brother, my parents, my masis, their husbands, my nanu is a scientist. My
Yes.
everyone in my family is from the medical background. I was the first one who said कि
Oh,
मुझे bio नहीं करना. So that's it. Fine,
engineering
do
करना
what you
है.
want. Yeah, they were very cool with that. Uh,
Okay.
so I said, okay, I
Now
still like science.
about DJing. See, lot
Yeah, yeah,
of
yeah. No,
people,
no.
lot
So
of
that's
like,
the thing. So even so my dad's point was that boss, you completed your engineering, zero KTs. You got your campus placement in the first round.
yeah,
You've done everything that you would expect a normal kid who is following his academic career to do. So he
yeah.
said, you've done all that. Now do whatever the hell you want. We support you.
Okay.
Uh,
Superb, man.
so the my main support financial which was needed was obviously when I went to London. Uh, After that, I've pretty much been on my own. Yeah.
One minute, bro. Let's say hi. There were a lot of questions, a lot of things which I guess I missed. A lot of people are
Yeah.
saying hi. Samir, DJ Samir is saying hello, my dog.
Hi, Samir bhai. So, Samir,
Eh,
guys, I don't know who's watching this, but anybody who's an aspiring DJ and wants to learn, Samir has an academy called High Tech Music Academy in Andheri. That's where me and Terry shot our episode for Lil
Okay.
B's thing.
Yeah. Okay.
It's one of the best academies I've been to because I think it's the only place which has individual stations for each student.
Superb.
So it's something people should really look into if they want to learn
So
DJing seriously.
saying fly, saying hi. Siddharth Todi saying big fan, sir.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Hope everyone's safe and happy. Hi, Tanu. I call Sound Avatar Tanu because that's his pet name. Nobody knows this, and I've said it out now. I hope people get to know, and everyone starts calling him Tanu now.
Adarsh says hi, my dog, sir. Adarsh Nair, could you please
Hi,
something
Adarsh.
sometime soon?
Me and Adarsh have been trying to close a gig, I think, for the last 1 year. Adarsh, I hope it happens soon. We just keep going back and forth.
So this guy called Tanish who's saying, my dog, could you play something on your live session sometime soon?
Yes, I will. I really, really have to. It's been a while. I think my sunburn set was the last time I did something online. We'll do
Yeah.
something very soon.
Someone is saying, how old are you?
I am 32.
But you look fit. Like you look like 25, man. You're so fit.
Yeah, so
You're
normally I would say guess my age and then whatever they guess, which will usually be in the mid 20s, I'll say yeah, that's a spot on. You're right.
true. What is your advice for a new artist, emerging artist in industry? Wait for this one. We'll do it. Collab with Lost Stories and Ritviz. That is again another question. Which is the next collab coming up? So, bro, there are a lot of people are asking, are you planning to play live anytime soon? I guess they're missing your live.
Yeah, definitely. We'll do something. I'll Should we do something on the weekend? आज क्या आज Tuesday ना? Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow evening. Let's do something.
Superb. And guys, if you want my dog to play tomorrow evening, please comment us and let us know.
Yeah.
DJ Ash is saying best place to learn music production, uh, learn advanced music production. So, any place you want to suggest?
Uh, Yeah, so like I said, so high tech also does that. I know Audio Cube also does music production. If you like, if you said
Yeah.
advanced, specifically advanced, then I would say something like a true school of music, which goes more into instruments and stuff. Uh, so like even high tech and Audio Cube and all these guys, they insist on learning music theory, which is super important.
Super. Yeah.
Uh, I know how much I regret not being thorough with it. But go to any place that concentrates more on the theory, music theory part of things more than the software.
Yeah.
Because people need to understand at the end of the day, it is not your DAW which is making the track. It is you. You
Yeah.
could
It
be
is you.
Ableton, Cubase, Logic, whatever you want. मतलब लोग जितनी गालियां देते हैं FL Studio को, bro, today
No, no, no.
90% of the world is still
Has
the
learned
biggest
from that one.
producers
Yeah.
are doing FL.
Yeah. Correct.
So yeah,
A lot of
I
people
don't.
whom I used to follow as well, back like 4 5 years back, I guess everyone that time at that one point of time using FL Studio.
All of us
पैसा
started
आने
with
के
FL,
बाद
yeah.
तो सब लोग
Exactly.
बड़े
So,
से बड़ा
bro,
स्टार Logic
the
Pro
main
करता है.
thing is none of us started with a Mac, right?
Yeah,
So
true. Very true.
on Windows, your first go-to baby was FL Studio.
FL Studio. Yes, yes.
My
And
first
now
release was
I guess
2008 FL Studio.
Now I guess, bro, they FL Studio have become very, very unique and very powerful. Now this point of time, I heard somebody was mentioning to me that they have released the version 12 or version 13, and which was costing somewhere close to 45,000 rupees for original one.
So
And
uh, I don't think itna hoga kyunki the 21 is made for the Mac. I think FL 20 is the one made for the Mac or something, right?
okay, no,
Pata nahi.
I
See,
don't know,
bro.
bro. I used
So
to live.
Logic costs about 15,000.
Yeah, Logic is the
Uh,
cheapest one.
it's the cheapest one, right?
Is
I
the
think,
cheapest one because DAW, like you're using MacBook already, so they have released something which
yeah,
is
fair enough.
convenient for all
Fair enough.
international people and
And
everybody. So
Rode
you end up spend
10.4.8, these guys they're getting like Pultec and stuff as the stock plugins now.
yeah. So you end up spending 2 3 lakh, 2.5 lakh rupees on Mac, man. You can save it 15 20,000
Yeah,
rupees on DAW,
bro,
which
but
is
here's the
fine.
thing, right? Now, even if you're using Ableton, you are still using a
Yeah,
Mac.
yeah, correct, correct. Someone is
Huh.
saying, Madog, bro, the Sunburn home set was crazy as fuck. Okay,
Thank you.
Amal.
Amal, acha yaar.
Uh,
Amal apna bhai
Himanshu
hai.
is saying superb artist. Adarsh is saying हाँ gig Adarsh भाई आपको लॉक करना है शो.
Yeah,
Someone is
we'll
asking,
make it
sir, your
happen.
grandfather was from Rajasthan.
No, Delhi.
I guess you mentioned the scientist part. The people are now concerned.
No, so my Nanu was the scientist, but again, my Nanu was also from Meerut. My Dadu's also from Delhi. My whole family is from North.
So someone is Jerry is saying Lil Bai or
Levi or
Nomad.
Nomad?
Pick one. Levi or Nomad.
Uh, Jerry Levi, Baba. Levi, because again, started off from there, yeah. But obviously, right now, Nomad has my heart because Levi doesn't exist.
Yeah. So silk looks I don't know what the name how to
Looks
pronounce
like
it.
Rajiv.
Rajiv. It looks
Huh.
like Rajiv. Yeah. So I am a DJ. I'm 16. I am playing a lot of sundowners afternoons. What's your advice to getting into night scene? Okay, bro, you have to
So,
say this
buddy,
one.
whoever is booking you for a sundowner and in the afternoon, get them to do a night scene. Get them to promote a night scene. Get them to promote a club. Get those people to come there. So the club people can see that you're getting the people. People are following you there. So I think that would be your best option again. But you're 16, right? So I don't know how many nightclubs you'll actually be allowed into. So figure that part out. And the guys who are booking you for the sundowners in the afternoon, tell them to do a night in a nightclub and book you there. That
Someone
would
have
be your
asked a
best way.
question, how to chart on Beatport. That you
Make
feel
a good
that I
track
guess
and hope that
good
people buy
track.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. Adarsh Nair is saying house set, please.
Huh. We'll do the
House set.
Sennheiser set again. The one that I done for Sennheiser, I'm going to do something like that again.
Okay, bro, a lot of questions today. Give me 1 minute, bro. I have to. If मैं नहीं पढ़ता ना, bro, तो बाद में DM में गालियां लिख के भेजते हैं लोग. तो तुमने
नहीं
मेरा
नहीं
क्वेश्चन
करते हैं
क्यों नहीं
यार अभी
पूछा?
करते हैं.
Deepraj is saying how to get gigs for beginners.
हाँ.
ये क्वेश्चन तो
You
बहुत
have to
बड़ा
be
क्वेश्चन
patient,
है,
bro.
bro.
You have to be patient. Okay. So there are two ways to go about it, bro. Either one is you make some amazing music and you put it up on SoundCloud. You get to wait to get noticed, or you get a label. If your track is so amazing that the label pushes it for you, you make mix sets. Your mix sets are so amazing that people keep sharing it on SoundCloud and Mixcloud. This is the online way to get bigger, and eventually you get booked from there. The other way is you go out, you do your networking, you meet promoters, and you gain their trust. You do some free opening sets, you go do some residencies. My main thing is, bro, I'm someone who did years of residencies. Like I've done over 10
Yeah.
years of residencies. So I genuinely believe that if you do your work well as a resident DJ, you will get recognized enough to take on to the next step. 2000, I was doing residencies till 2016. I did 3 years at EXO and Levi. And then in 16, I finally went freelance. Yeah,
Yeah.
the problem with today's people who want the shortcut is they wake up, they do a course, and they're like, okay, I want to start doing my gigs now. It doesn't
Correct.
work that way. You have to you have to put in your time.
True. Missing your live, Mr. Maddock. भाई live आ जाओ, आपको बहुत दुनिया पूछ रही है. So where to get vocals for your tracks?
Uh,
Acapellas basically he meant. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, Splice is a good option. I think Splice has a humongous library. Otherwise, find singers who want to sing for you. Make an instrumental, send it out, and find people to sing for you. I think that's the best way to go
So
about it.
Arjun has asked a very good question. How do someone make their track list? So can we download a DJ's track list?
Yeah. So most of the international DJs have their track lists up on a website called 1001 Tracklist. So there's a website called 1001tracklist.com. So every DJ in the world, I'm talking about the big DJs, your top hundreds and stuff. Usually all their track lists are on the website, and it is 99.9% accurate. So that is a good website to refer.
Somebody saying thanks, Maddock, for doing this. Really appreciate it. DJ Ash, is sound engineering necessary to work out with the DAW?
No, guys, so please understand the difference between sound engineering and music production. So music production is the creative part, sound engineering is the technical part. Now, you can make your music, send it out for mixing, send it out for mastering, or you can make your music and then mix and master your track yourself. If you've done your sound engineering will help you in your mixing, your mastering.
Mixing and mastering, yes.
And also, they also cover acoustics and stuff if you want to get into that aspects, if you want to get into live sound. So I always recommend doing sound engineering, or at least your basics, so you understand cabling, routing, and even within your mixer, you understand a lot of things like how a reverb works, how a delay works, how echoes work will help you better if you do your sound engineering. So I always say, do your basics.
And in that you learn about frequencies also. You know, there are a lot of people who miss out.
Knowing your technical part is always better because, so bro, I feel your 70% is your creative part, right? Your musicality is important. But if your entire track is 100% unmixed and your frequencies are clashing, your bass and your kick is getting distorted and you're not getting the punch, you're not going to like the creative product which has come out.
True.
So yeah, sound engineering is important, but I think creativity is more important. So do both, but do it properly.
Somebody's asking, where do you download your MP3 from? That you have to figure out, bro, yourself. You are stepping into DJing. You have to figure that out yourself. I have been looking DJ Aryan since a few years, and trust me, never got disappointed with you, man. Maddock official.
I know Amala. So Aryan's my star boy. He's my rock star.
Aryan Gala.
Aryan Patel. Aryan Patel is one of my. I call him my star boy. So he's gonna be in the next 1-2 years. He's gonna be the next big thing. I have a lot of hopes and dreams for him. Yeah, a lot of. Like he's gonna do like any club that he's played at. I have got a call from the owner or the promoter, and they have only praised him.
Okay, superb.
Yeah.
Somebody said FL20 is available for Windows. I use Boot Camp on my Mac. Okay, version 20.
Yeah, so for Windows and Mac, Gary, it's called version 20.
Mark 4 is there. I want Maddock's autograph. गैरी भाई इज देयर फ्रॉम गैरी भाई पहली बात तो हमारे बड़े सीनियर डीजे हैं गैरी भाई पूछ रहे हैं डू यू
I
मिस
do.
डेनन
I do. But
4500
you know what I miss about it? I'll tell you what I miss about it. I wish today's these young guys who keep saying, I want to start gigging, I want to start gigging. I want to know how many can play on a Denon 4000 or a 4500 and then move on to the CDJs. I want everyone to at one point play on those players, on those plus minus buttons.
इतना
हाँ
सा
होता ना
इतना सा
हाँ you know plus minus pitch bend करता था उस पे बजाओ so play on vinyl play on 4.5s then come on to CDJs don't show up with a
yeah
laptop and a software on it with no controller and say ke I'm DJ no
bro the time when Pioneer released 250 I guess 250 was the player right 200 250 something like that 250 or 200 player
वो फ्लाइट
जब
वाला
वो था
CMX 3000 the
not
CMX
3000
3000 was the DJ 4.5 का that equivalent
नहीं 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 I'm talking about Pioneer so
हाँ
when they
पाइनियर
released
का
no that
जो
time
छोटा वाला था that was the
नॉट
CMX
नॉट छोटा वाला
3000 अच्छा
बड़ा वाला
प्रॉपर
प्लेयर देन
हाँ
स्टार्टेड
ओके
प्रॉपर प्लेयर हाँ तो जब वो लाइक वो आया था तो लोगों को उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि बेंड कैसे करें ट्रैक को बिकॉज दैट जॉग व्हील वाज सो ह्यूज बिकॉज जिन लोगों को आदत पड़ गई ना वो
आदत
फिंगर
थी
से करने की
हाँ
टू या ट्रू तो
प्लस
समझ में
माइनस
नहीं आ रहा था कैसे करें ओके इन incoming DJ tips, sir. Give us some time. You're really amazing, sir. You are an inspiration. Big fan.
अरे
Ayushman Sinha is
आयुष्मान
also here, bro.
what's happening bro Ayushman I think
Okay,
is the
okay.
busiest guy even during quarantine I say he's the busiest guy
So somebody is writing here, how much should a beginner charge to play at clubs?
bro whatever you can get it's not a question that we can answer because we started 14 years ago where if we got 500 bucks we would be happy so just take what you get be respectful of the work right now
Yeah.
I think you should value the experience and the opportunity more than the money you're making money will come later on
So someone asked, where can I get Bollywood acapellas? Okay. Up, okay.
No, you can't. You have to be working closely or officially with someone in the Bollywood music industry to get access to those. Nobody will share those otherwise.
So somebody, how to reach out to gigs with no influence in industry? Okay, that I guess he answered already. Do residency.
Yeah, do residencies. Find someone. Like
As
I have 12
patient.
guys who are working with me doing residencies at my venues. Find someone who's looking out for residents. It's the best way to gain experience, make a little money. And dude, you get to practice so much. You get to work
Yeah,
on your
correct.
skills. You're not going to get that anywhere else.
Yeah. So Ash is saying, as you said that we need to be patient for the gigs. What if I already get the gigs, but the big one, no, gigs the big ones, but I'm not a producer. How to continue with the new thing?
One second, if you're already getting gigs, then it's okay. You don't have to be a producer. People produce music in today's day and age to get famous and get gigs. If you're getting gigs already, then why do you care? I think that's the question, right?
Okay, you make them play an NSC 500. Okay, one minute. सी गैरी वाई 6 CDJ 100 में तो BPM काउंट ही नहीं था Mayuk is also here. Hello, Mayuk sir. What's up, boy? He's saying, what's up? How are you?
What does Mayuk mean by okay? Mayuk, I really want to know how many people hit up Mayuk. So I tagged people asked me, how do you play at Sunburn? So I said, bro, just message Mayuk. So I was hoping that people start spamming his inbox.
Mayuk का DM भर गया होगा. Show your setup, bro. Somebody is saying, show your setup. So
Uh,
I need to say you something, bro. Your logo is kick ass.
so logo is this again. Logo is very old now. It's 8 years old now. I've had the same logo
Bro,
since
please continue with
2012.
this one only. We
Yeah,
continue
yeah.
with this one only.
So this is not usually here. The only time I've got this now because we're all stuck here, so I borrowed it from my friend Rahul. Otherwise, this is my setup. So I have the Rockets. So usually I have my Mac Mini here, which is pimped out, which works, but my screen isn't working. So I'm working off my laptop right now.
Okay.
I have a really so all my equipment is 10 years old. people message me this very often. What MIDI keyboard to buy? What monitors to buy? It doesn't matter. You can buy the fanciest MIDI keyboard. The only thing you're going to use it for is programming your keys. So I have a 10-year-old Novation keyboard. So basically, when I was studying in London, I picked up all my equipment there because we used to get a discount at Point Blank. And I shipped everything back, and I'm still using everything from 2010. I haven't bought anything new except the woofer, because when I made my studio, my room got treated really well and there were no resonant frequencies, so all the low frequencies were also getting absorbed. So I had to add the woofer for that. But again, I use it at like 5%.
Okay.
And yeah, so that's my setup. It's pretty much just Logic 10, one keyboard, and you won't believe it. I'm too lazy to switch on my monitors, so this is what I work on. These are my in-ear earphones. They're the worst thing to do, but it's just so convenient. Like जहाँ भी बैठे हो यार, just plug them in and start using it. Yeah, so
ब्रो एक साउंड कार्ड का एक सबसे बड़ा आलस पता क्या है? मैं बताऊं कि लेजी बंदी, यू नीड टू कनेक्ट, यू नीड टू चेंज प्रेफरेंसेस, यू गो देयर एंड देन स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट. ये वाला बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
This is the only thing I changed. So I got the UAD Apollo sound card.
Okay.
Before this, I had the TC Electronics. When I was in London, I had the TC Electronics 5-wire 800. And I got this about 3-4 years back. I got this and the Quad Satellite just because I wanted to start using UAD plugins. And where is my TC Electronics? So yeah, that's it. Yeah, a good converter is important. I learned that along the way. Yeah.
Ankit Midda is saying, "What's up, Midda ji? Finally is here.
Finally, Chandigarh ka Raja."
Somebody has asked a question. I'm 15 years old and now I've been DJing for 3 years, but due to the age barrier, I can't play anywhere. I've been playing on vinyls for the past 7 months. Do you have any tips?" 15-year-olds, bro. A lot of questions today. My God.
Bro, so you started at 12. That's amazing. Keep practicing.
No, 15. He's saying 15.
That's what I'm saying. So he started at 12. If he's been playing for 3 years.
Yeah,
He's 15 years old now.
15
Bro,
now.
so what you have, fortunately, is the advantage of time. The fact that you started early. I wish I had started that early. So bro, keep doing at it. At your age, what you can do is develop skills that other people... No, private gigs to karo hi, but I'm saying at that bro, if you were filming this, right, and if someone on YouTube was seeing a 15-year-old on a turntable, that would go viral. That is something that people would want to see and share. Do that to promote yourself. YouTube is amazing, bro. Anything can go. YouTube karo, TikTok karo, Instagram karo, bro. People, if your content is good, people will share it.
Yeah.
At 15 years old, if you're playing vinyls,
Continue.
I'm saying at that age, at 15 years old, if you're good on vinyls, if you're playing turntables, boss, that's something you have to show off. Get out there, your gigs will eventually come on their own.
Yeah, the most of the people don't know how to play turntables. I'm one of them. I don't know.
Okay.
So I'm telling very frankly, bro. You don't know.
Yeah.
Simple. So Ankit Vedda is saying, from where can I get the 6-packs?
So Ankit, Chandigarh mein na sector 17 mein, you know that restaurant you are taking me to where we had the butter chicken and the naan? There you won't get it. But uske baaju mein there is a health shop. So all the places that you're eating, you stop those. So all the other places will have you'll get your 6-packs there.
So
which is the best controller for
beginners. अभी तो सबसे सस्ता वाला है ना, Pioneer का record box controller is there.
Yeah, Pioneers they've really released some amazing equipment. Yeah, this can be easily replaced at half the price. So yeah.
Sick setup. Okay, but you can't summon to a particular platform and fame, but DJing can't take. How to maintain DJing with learning production? भाई ये तो कैसा?
Okay,
but just DJing can't take. Yeah, did you read that question?
Yeah, so I don't necessarily believe that. Okay, I get it that times are different. So people like John Digweed and Carl Cox got away with it. But you're DJing for maybe 2-3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours in the night. You have your entire day. Even if you're going to school, even if you're going to college, you need to take out 2 to 3 hours a day to just learn some music production. I started producing music in 2008 while I was still doing my engineering. it is that kida that you have to get, boss. Once you start exploring the software, you start trying out things, it will happen
New things,
automatically.
yeah.
You will make time for it. So you can easily take someone to a particular platform and fame. So yeah, bro, you can become famous with only DJing if you're really that good. I know a lot of hip hop DJs in India who don't
Yeah.
produce music, but their skills are so good, and these guys are like not just on their Instagram. People put them on their own Instagram because their skills are so good. That's what you need to get to.
True. True. Why don't you do after party when your gigs are over by early flight? That Midda ji का again question. Midda ji रुक जाओ, आपको question करते हैं, 2 मिनट रुको. I'm learning Varuni, Pioneer 400, DJs, LOL Butter Chicken Dam. Okay, how was quarantine? Okay, how was quarantine for both of you? So that we started, the session with. Okay, bro, like I'll give you. There's a rapid fire, so I'll give you one word. You let me know which is the first thing which comes to your mind. By the way,
Sure.
Gary Bai is asking, what's your favorite watch brand?
AP.
So let's start. Inspiration.
Martin Garrix.
Favorite food.
Burgers. American chicken burgers. Meat burgers. I'm craving those.
Favorite track in Bollywood and in English commercial, whichever.
So
you wanna say.
Bollywood, the entire world who follows me knows this. It's Makhna. I'm
Okay,
obsessed.
okay.
I'm obsessed with Makhna. Like obsessed. Like yeah. And in English right now, I'm loving Blinding Lights by The Weeknd.
Okay. Weekend.
Yeah.
1 second.
Oh, Zarir, fillet of fish. Right now, I'm really craving that. Any McDonald's, bro. Sorry, Zarir ka aaya tha. Fish fillet. Huh.
You start. Okay. So yeah. Favorite artist, bro. Favorite artist, like not inspiration. Favorite artist whom you wanna see live in India or international, whoever you love.
So I've fortunately I've seen most of the artists that I've ever looked up to. But if I had to favorite artists who I've seen enjoyed performing live has to be Snake.
Snake. Yeah.
That guy's a different charisma when he's on stage, boss. He's
Yeah.
alag.
One word for fans.
Grateful, super grateful for me. I'm super grateful to them.
So, bro, another thing is, like, do you want to share the story when you got into spinning record, global talent pool?
Oh, that was what 2012, 13? Yeah, I think it was around 2012, 2013. So I think talent pool is still going on, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they still do
So
it. Yes.
yeah. So what happened was I had this track which never came out. It was called Titan. It's still there on my SoundCloud. I think it's a private share right now. And it was one of my fun, good, progressive tracks. And I put it on the talent pool. And I drafted this message, which I copy pasted to everyone on my friends list. I'm talking about 2000, very early 12, 13, when there was no Instagram and whatever now we have.
I guess
Sources. Facebook was the
था,
main thing. That time Facebook was the main
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, Facebook the main
And
thing.
I have messaged each and everyone individually that like spinning page, like the page, go hear the track, give me your vote.
तो मैंने भी किया है bro, मैंने भी किया है वो मैंने किया
And
है. I wanted to place एक कोई pool था शायद Sunburn का pool था. You had need to submit your mixtape to play open for Anisood. I remember I have done the same when I in 2014 or 15. Yeah, continue. I'm so
all
sorry.
of us, bro, everyone
Yeah,
has, bro.
yeah.
So the track got an amazing response, and I think within a day I was in the top 20, and within a week I reached. I came down to 5, 4, 3, 2. I didn't reach number 1. I reached number 2.
Okay.
Bro, but here's the thing, right? It's a voting system. So even the worst track can reach number 1 if the guy has friends who's voting for him. So what happens after that is spinning. Basically, the point of coming in the top 10 is that it'll get spinning's attention.
Yeah.
So then Spinning Records posted my track which I didn't know about. So what happened was suddenly I got up and I had in like 15 minutes I had 2,000 plus plays on my SoundCloud suddenly. So I said, "Ye kya ho gaya?" So I went on the Spinning Ka page, and they had posted my track saying they were talking about talent pool, and they said we've just given Maddock some tips for his track. So they basically said, can you remix and remaster the track? See, this is where sound engineering is very important. So they said, can you please remaster the track and send it to us? Sadly, I remastered the track and sent it to them, but it was too late and they never got back to me. But yeah, that was what happened with Talent Pool. It was a good experience because when people saw that you were on the Talent Pool ka top 10, that also sort of got a lot of eyes on you.
Yeah, true. And then they repost and then they give you a feedback saying
Yeah,
that do
that
this
was
and do
the
that,
main thing. I still have that screenshot.
which
It's
is
very important.
which is lovely. And the gig, bro, in 2015, I guess you played for Hardwell's some label or something like that.
Yeah, so Reveal Recordings was having an India tour. So I did the
Yeah.
opening set at Bombay for the Reveal Recordings thing. Yeah.
Superb. And share the reviews about official remix for with Kanye West also.
Bro, so again, dude, like I said, bro, it's about the right opportunity at the right time. I have this really close friend in London, Jez, who's one of the biggies right now in London. This is in, I think, 2000, again, 11, 12, 13 ki baat hai. And so I met Jez when I was studying in London. He's much older. And he was doing a lot of stuff with these American guys who were redoing all these old tracks.
Okay.
So he called me up and he said, you know what, let's do some stuff together. So we did a Shalamar track, which was Don't Go. We did an Eddie Jones track, and then he said, "Ke bro, a Kanye West guy," which had a little Kanye West sample, but it had Kanye West ka name on it. So you get an official Kanye West remix. I said, "Fuck yeah, let's do it." So I don't talk much about it, but yeah, I've done an official Kanye West remix. Technically, I've done an official Kanye West remix.
Superb. So one minute, bro. I'm so sorry. Somebody is asking who are the best DJs in India. One is sitting in front of me.
Yeah,
Next
India
one,
has a
my dog can tell you.
lot of talent, bro. If I had to pick out purely based on skill and not popularity, so obviously there are a lot of hip hop DJs like Kana and all these guys who I've seen who are amazing. In terms of energy, hands down, Terry. She gets that crown, dude. That girl fascinates me with the kind of energy she has. It's amazing, and it's not just energy. I've been in the console with her when she's playing. She knows what she's doing. Her skills are phenomenal.
Yes, true.
Mixing,
I've seen her playing 3 times. Yes.
yeah. So lot of good talent in India. Uh, Amongst the younger generation. That's the thing, right? I don't get out much. Aiden, Ankit's guy in Chandigarh. He opened for me before my gig. Superb in hip hop. Amazing. I remember this guy. Like, I was blown away. And in Bombay, for the same thing, Ashley. He's amazing.
Ashley, yeah.
Again, Ashley's amazing at hip hop and stuff. Yeah. These are off the top of my head, but yeah.
What do you think about the popularity is on the higher side in the talent? Okay. The second last question.
Oh, नीचे चले गए हम लोग. We've missed a lot of stuff upstairs. Then.
Yeah.
What do you think about popularity over talent? It's a sad truth of life. Anywhere. It's not just DJing. It could be acting. It could be anything. Popularity, sadly, will always trump talent. But what you can do is use your talent to get popular. And then if you have a mix of both, if you've averaged it out, then that's the best.
DJ Dharmesh is asking, how can I send you demos, madam? So you need to share the demo part.
I mean, I have one email ID which is maddockofficial@gmail.com. Yeah, so you can send it to me over there. You can send me a link on Instagram. I think Instagram DMs work. Yeah, just send me a SoundCloud link on Instagram DM and I'll check it out. I'm pretty prompt with my Instagram replies.
There's a guy called Cardiac. I guess I have seen this guy playing in Rasta.
Where can I send you a license of mine?
Yeah, he's saying,
Um,
how do you suggest dealing with the promoters, basically everyone, who expect a lot of crowd and tables for minimal pay?
huh. There are two ways to go about it, right? Either you've given, and if you can pull crowd, you do that, or you stand up for yourself and say that no, I'm good at my music. You use my music to promote me, and you pull the crowd because that's your job. If I'm pulling crowd, are you playing the music? Because if you're doing both, then what is he getting paid for? So that's
Okay,
one way of
so
going about it. Again, strike a balance. Strike a balance.
correct. Bhai, a lot of questions. Vishal is here. Vishal is saying, hi, my dog. Hi, cutie is saying, love you, my dog.
Make my babies. Wish Vishal right after quarantine. It'll be fun to have Vishal's tall babies.
One second. Am I missing some questions?
A lot.
What about best producers in India, bro?
Ba, 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 ba. Wait, I know this. I know this. Shit, what are
Name
these
you
guys?
follow
What
in
are there's
India.
this? Uh, there are
Tell me a
these
city, I'll
young
tell you the name.
guys. Arey, no. The guy who just did the Astronomia thing. I did not. Terry told me that he's Indian. I've been playing this, the Astronomia Seven Oceans.
No idea, bro. Never heard
So
of
obviously
it.
Terry has some really cool bass music coming out.
Yeah.
She sent me some previews. Lost Stories are obviously doing some amazing stuff with their new mixtapes, and I mean those are more edits, but again they are very talented producers. Tanishk is doing
32
some really good
stitches.
music.
Somebody has mentioned
32
32
stitches.
stitches.
32 stitches. Yeah,
Yes,
that's the
yes,
name.
yes,
That's the name.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
Terry told me, I did not know this. We were discussing, and she said that the guy is Indian. He stays, I think, in Chandigarh or Delhi or something.
Yeah. She mentioned in our interview with Base Culture, she mentioned about that.
Yeah. Okay. Somebody said best producer. Kaval, definitely one of the most talented, most technically skilled guys I know.
Skilled guy. Yeah.
Yeah. So every my wedding sets, I'll be playing back to back Kaval remixes, and I'll be sending him videos. Like, अभी तक तेरे पुराने गाने बजा रहा हूँ.
So, bro, any tip for up there? We missed one question. So any tip for upcoming generation? Okay, what they should do right now, also post quarantine as well. Any tip you
Uh,
want to give them? Any suggestion?
Guys, so the main thing I'd say is don't get impatient, don't give up hope, keep learning new stuff, be different, be different. If you can't produce well, do something extraordinarily well when you're DJing, do something completely out of the box when you're DJing. I think that's the
True.
most important thing. Don't try to copy someone, don't try to be like someone, be similar, but do something which is your niche, which is your what is your signature, what defines you. And that's the only reason, like today, if two guys are doing the exact same thing and one guy is famous for doing it, why will the second guy get booked, right? See it that way. So just
Yeah.
do something fun and different.
So
Do
somebody have
club.
asked a question. Yeah, people or promoter ask DJs to play. 1 minute. I'm so
And
sorry. To
also,
play or
guys,
not to play.
the guy who just messaged Ayushman Sinha, if you want to get booked for club gigs, please DM him. Message Ayushman Sinha. He's the nicest guy in Bombay who will book you in any club you want. DM him. He replies to every single message. Just send him a DM. If he doesn't reply, you tell me. I'll give you his phone number. I'll give Ayushman Sinha's phone number to anybody who DMs and asks for it nicely.
So earlier Muke's life was in trouble. Now Ayushman's life is in trouble.
Yeah.
Uh,
Anyways, Ayush is so busy. Ayushman can get some more calls. Actually, guys, just DM me. I'm going to send you Ayushman's phone number. You guys can call him up. And this is the guy who's made the most people, most of the biggest artists in India have been created by him.
yeah.
So he can
Yes.
really help you out, guys. So kids who are asking me
True.
questions to how to go about it, if you want the quickest way, just hit up Ayushman. Ayushman, be nice to them.
ना अभी तो गाली लिख रहा है. Yeah, bro. This question: do club people or promoter ask DJs to play or not to play any specific genre or song?
Okay.
Obviously, they can ask, man.
Again. See, bro. ऐसी नौबत नहीं आनी चाहिए that you need to be instructed.
Yeah.
Right? If you're a good DJ, you can't pigeonhole your music. You need to know what the crowd wants. So one thing I am very, very clear about, if somebody tells me I want to become a DJ and I say why, अगर तू मुझे बोले कि because I love music, I'll say fuck off. Loving music does not make you a DJ. Understanding what people want along with the knowledge of all the music is what will make you be a good DJ. That's what's going to help you be a good DJ. Loving music is not going to help you be a good DJ. If you love music, sit at home, make your Spotify playlist, turn that into a business if you can. That's the most important thing. You need to be able to understand what people want. A promoter should not need to tell you कि bro अरे crowd जा रहा है, धंधा नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, ये play कर. उसी नौबत ही नहीं आनी चाहिए. That is what I genuinely believe.
Sonal is saying, I hope you come down to Bangalore in the months to come. Okay.
I hope so too.
Okay, bro.
यार मैं
Thank
तो
you
पता
so
ना
much.
क्वारंटीन खत्म होगा ना भाई, सब फ्लाइट पकड़ के ऐसे बस घूमने जाने वाले के चलो प्ले भी नहीं करें हम तो, बस घर से बाहर रहना है हमको बस 3 महीने के लिए.
No, bro. I am not going post quarantine also for next two weeks. I will be staying home. I don't think I will be stepping out because it is very important right now. I guess हमारा पीएम अच्छा है जो अभी अच्छे से समझा रहा है और अभी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है.
हाँ.
तो सुन लो भाई, अभी तो टाइम है, मत जाओ. Everybody, when we start traveling and we start touring, everybody says only one thing, नहीं यार आराम करना, बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. अभी आई थिंक जिसके लिए भी ज्यादा हो रहा है, इज अ करेक्ट टाइम. अभी रेस्ट ले लो अच्छे से, देन कम बैक with full power. Suppose this thing
100%.
happens. मिड्डा इज सेइंग मेरे सवाल का जवाब पेंडिंग है. भाई कौन सा क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिया मैंने?
Oman is here. Mr. Oman in the house.
Mr. Oman is also here. मेरा okay, Oman
Hi
is in the
Tyson.
house. Yo मोक्ष. So मिड्डा जी आप क्वेश्चन भेज दीजिए भाई, मैं किसी का क्वेश्चन नहीं छोड़ने वाला. Anybody else has any question, please let me know. अभी कमेंट कर दीजिए. उसके बाद
When you are supporting a headliner, should I play the tracks of the headliner? Obviously not. What kind of a question is that, bro?
Bro, you will play headliner slot, no? Headliner का music, no? Then the manager will only come and kick your ass.
Exactly. Yeah.
Are you
So the fact
planning to
that you're
release any
asking
new
that
track?
question is just
इस मार्केट में मत आओ मेरे भाई. अच्छा why don't Madog do after party? भाई इसका जवाब तो Madog खुद ही दे सकता है.
सुन ना मिद्दा, तू मेरी फ्लाइट बुक करता है, ठीक है? आपको पता है कि आपको सिर्फ 7 बजे की फ्लाइट होती है. चंडीगढ़ में सब 12:30-1 बजे बंद हो जाता है.
2 ऑप्शन है.
हाँ, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? खाना खाते चिल करते हैं 3-4 बजे तक, फिर सो के थोड़ा 1 घंटे में निकल जाता हूँ. अभी इसके ऊपर करे क्या यार? चल मिद्दा,
दारू मिड्डा पिएगा नहीं.
नेक्स्ट गिग विल आई डू एन आफ्टरनून फ्लाइट. चलो डन.
110%. चलो मिड्डा जी, थैंक यू. अभी आपका क्वेश्चन भी हो गया. एनीबडी एल्स कुछ मिस हुआ है क्या भाई?
Are you planning to release any new track? Inshallah, hopefully soon. Lot of scratches in process. As soon as I get some good reviews for the new stuff, I'll definitely put it out.
Yeah. Thank you, bhai. I have taken so much time of yours today. Thank you so much for coming as
I had a lot of
joining
fun.
at live sessions. Yeah, man. A lot of people are still here. बहुत सारे लोगों में आज क्वेश्चन की तो भरमार हो गई है.
Actually, I had a lot of fun. Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
Thank you so much. We answered
some
everybody's
imparted.
question.
Yeah. Hopefully, we've covered everything.
Okay.
ठीक है.
To come.
Stay safe,
ठीक है भाई.
guys.
Okay, music and fitness in both your best, bro. True. हम भी 6 पैक फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, मैं डॉग की तरह, पर आ नहीं रहे.
ये कुणाल की
Any plans for Pune?
पूना
Any
यार,
plans?
पूना घर के बाजू में. इट्स 1.5 hours from my place यार. अभी जैसे ही खत्म होता है मैं आ जाता हूँ. एक गिग बस कोई बुक कर दो.
Somebody is asking, what do you apply on your hair, bro?
So right now there's nothing. Otherwise it's a sea salt spray and a nice hairspray. That's it. And then there's the Dapper pomade. So it depends on the look that I'm going for.
चलो गाइस, आई थिंक सबके लिए सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दिए. अभी कुछ बचा है तो मैं डॉग को डीएम कर दो प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच भाई. थैंक यू सो बिग थैंक यू.
Most welcome, bro. Thank you for having
sharing
me.
your thoughts. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
See you.
See you post quarantine. Take care. Bye.